What's up, Philadelphia? Back in the green, and for a good reason too. April 11th at Dolan's Bar, they are doing another amazing event benefiting the Eagles Autism Foundation. The Hungry Dogs Huddle. Our Hungry Dogs are coming back after a long off season. Dust off the Eagles green, get the hats, the jerseys, everything back on. $40 entry fee. You get food, you're gonna have prizes, drinks, everything. Come out, support the Birds and the Eagles Autism Foundation. It's gonna be a good one, just like the Tailgate Olympics, baby. Let's go, Birds! Yeah!